It's like an art studio or some kind of class. Another Japanese place. Magic the Gathering. So they're playing Magic the Gathering. Skip, it's like a coffee shop. It's like a coffee shop on both sides. Coffee shop with pork burgers. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm in a place called Samyan. Over here is the university, Chula, the faculty of all kinds, like the largest university in Bangkok, maybe Thailand as well. But I was just in the shopping mall here. The last video had that, and then I just saw this Triple Y, which is a residency and hotel, and it's connected as well to the mall, and it's 4,000 baht for one night studio apartment. It's about $100, maybe a little more. Like that's kind of cool though. Then I saw this building, which I've never seen before, and pretty amazing little architectural piece as well. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to walk along the university and just see what we can see while we walk it. But there's some pretty cool apartments, stores, and I think it's break time for the students right now, I think. I just about lost my drink there, so almost lost that. So we're just gonna walk down and just see what we can see. Really beautify things. So you have bonsai trees and flower shops, Bisun, Hariso, made in Korea, coffee bar. Sheffer is a chain, so you can get like meat and rice and French fries. It's pretty good. I ate there when I was in some smaller town in Thailand, and I really enjoyed the food there actually. But yeah, let me just see. Jeffer soup, steak, salad, seafood. So okay. World London, Professional Italy, Curry Boy. This is another Japanese shop. Japanese shops are really popular. I saw those kind of everywhere, but I used to live in Japan, so I don't know if they're popular, if they're truly popular, or if I just happen to always recognize them. Let's just kind of walk into the university a little bit, see what we see around here. So Curry Boy. It's like a little outdoor plaza area. Huh. Okay, we got a lot of shops in here. Curry Boy. It's like a nice Thai food place. Chula. Printers and copies. Huh. Tiger Burrito, Mexican food. I have been eating a lot of Mexican food, but I thought it was just for the tourists. But I guess it's I was just at Taco Bell inside the mall. That was where we started this video just a few minutes ago, and that shop looks pretty cool too. I don't see how people cannot get big after a while, and with all the food options in Thailand. Galileo. So, okay. I definitely want to keep exploring and seeing other stuff, so we're gonna do that. It's a big cow. I guess that means it's a beef restaurant, I guess. Okay. Sometimes they'll put like actual cows for beef restaurants in Asia. Like a cartoon cows and different things. I think in the US, it's harder to eat them if we make them like cute cartoons. Oops. Okay, let's see what else is here. The lobby. There's some other stuff down that way, but we're just gonna explore a little bit more this way because I see more shops. Let's see, this is already at 4.5 minutes, so I'm gonna try to conclude it within 7 minutes, which I think is just about right for anybody to watch a video. The kid you can count on. You kid. So, it's like an art studio or some kind of class. Another Japanese place. Magic the Gathering. So they're playing Magic the Gathering. Skip, it's like a coffee shop. It's like a coffee shop on both sides. Coffee shop with pork burgers, Korean, hot tea, okay. It's like a big fusion of different things. You see, this one is, kimbap, Korean, Winnie the Match. So this one has kimchi, this is kim bokkeumbap, like a seaweed fried rice. Not fried rice, sorry, bokkeumbap is fried rice. Kimbap, or anyways, it's rice and seaweed paper. Seaweed paper is kim and bap is rice, but kimbap is something different. This is Card Game Cafe, which is just, they're playing Magic the Gathering down there at Bob Card. This one's called Knight's Tale. So you got a couple of these. So, okay. Creamery, boutique ice cream. That one. And this one is English. So it's like a little place that teaches English. So, okay, and Needle Cafe. So we conclude there. So yeah, this is a little place. I'll conclude with this artwork that's right here. It's pretty cool artwork. Yeah, I missed this the first time.